In this third video of Panda series, we will work with duplicates. So first of all, let's call in the library we need, import pandas as PD. Now let's read in the file or the dataset. So I will call it again, my file equal to, came from pandas, read CSV, and then my path or the file name. I will copy the path from the previous video, so I don't have to write it anymore. Okay, so now let's check for duplicates. There is a function in pandas which is duplicated, and gave me the sum of duplicated and print for me. Oh, but there is something I need to correct. Here goes the name, it goes my file, because my file is the file I want to check, and my file is calling pandas. So let's see. And there we go. There are not any duplicates, and here in the variable explorer is telling me that it has 418 records with 12 columns and no duplicates. Okay, but because we are practicing the duplicated handling, I will include some duplicates because this is an error from real life that some duplicates are copied. So let's simulate it. So there are a function in pandas which is concat, pd.concat, that joins two datasets together, stick together. So I will concat my file, the original file, with the first rows of my file. So it's going to be my file, start from 0 to 5. And here concat handles multiple parameters. So this is going to be one parameter, which is the main information. Concat these two things, but because if we concat these records with this original data set, the index will be copied as well with the same index in the first 5 rows. So in order to avoid this duplicated index, I will add a parameter which is ignore index equal to true. So that way we start clean from 0 till the end with the index. Okay. And so here I will give a name to this new duplicated file dataset. So I'm going to put my duplicated file, for example, equal to, and then the concatenation. Okay, so now I will copy this line. So I will print my duplicated file. My duplicated file dot duplicated dot sum to see how many records duplicated has. Okay, so now we see that it has 5, the first 5 we copy. Okay, and here we can see that my duplicated file dataset, it has 423, so it has. Okay, if we want to see just like the Boolean true or false, we can copy this line and let's remove the function sum. So in that way, this function will just return true or false if there are any duplicated. Oh, it's missing one. So yeah, the duplicated records, it placed it at the end. Yeah, what was the last file. So now let's remove them. Okay, so after we remove it, we should be seeing the same number here in both. So to remove it is pretty simple, pretty literal. There is another function which is called drop duplicated duplicates, and obviously we need to write down the name of the file, which is my duplicated files, my duplicated file, okay, and let's give them assign it to the name, to the same name, updated. My duplicated file is equal to, yeah, I am doing this because I want to print the result, okay? So it's easier for me just to take the name, just to take this name and instead of write all of this. So let's see. Print my duplicated file, okay? Okay, I can see here first file and first file and last file, and here I can see that now are the same size, so it remove it. And if I want to say, okay, now give me the zoom, just to make even more sure about that. Dot zoom, if there are any duplicates. Oh, what did I do? My duplicated file, oh, is this guy is at the end. My duplicated file. What did I do? What did I do? My duplicated file. Oh, I know what I did. I need duplicated because that is the function we are running, and then make me the zoom. More detail. And there it is 0. Okay? We don't have any more. We drop it. So if you like this video, please subscribe so I can keep doing more. So see you soon. Bye bye.